Hey there. In this video, we're gonna work on stretching our calves. So we're gonna go one leg at a time. This is the seated single leg calf stretch. Let's jump right into it. You don't need any equipment for today's, just enough room, and know that you're gonna be on a bench like I am or on the floor. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with both legs straight out here. I'm gonna bend one in. I'm gonna focus on my left leg today. And I'm gonna start with my knee slightly bent for me, right? My range of motion or my limitation is gonna be how well I can actually hinge here, and softening the knee can help us out. I'm gonna grab right around the ball of my foot and the toe here. I'm gonna try and maintain a solid ankle position here. That does make a difference in how you feel the stretch. Getting tall in that spine here, I'm gonna use my palms to really pull the toes and the foot back. Now right now my knee is so bent I don't feel as much, so I'm gonna lengthen my knee a little bit and then pull back from there. And now I'm feeling that stretch right in the gastrocnemius and the soleus. So we're gonna hold for 30 seconds here, okay? Now I want you to breathe into that stretch. Right where you're feeling the stretch itself, I want you to think about that being your lungs potentially. Just imagine it, and you're gonna breathe into those lungs there. Now in this position here, especially as we're hinged forward, that quad's gonna wanna turn on and tighten up. That's gonna pull us out of the stretch. So I want you to try and relax that thigh. And you might even notice the calf and the ankle relax as well. You might get more range of motion out of that and able to pull a little bit tougher. The gastrocnemius and soleus are very powerful tissues, so you can really apply some pressure here as long as you feel in the right target areas. Again, the soleus in here and or the gastrocnemius, even a little bit higher up behind the knee is fine. On your next inhale, I want you to slowly bend the knee, at the same time release the calf and the foot, and let's go ahead and switch sides here. Same thing, 30 seconds on this side as well. I'm gonna start with a slightly soft knee, reaching forward long in my spine here. I'm gonna pull right into that calf here. Deepen my Achilles on this side, which is great. Again, we're gonna go about 30 seconds. Now for some of us, the instinct might be to try and pull back or flex back or contract back with the toe on purpose. That might help you get more of a stretch. If it contributes to the proper sensation, by all means go for it. But I find that as soon as I do that, all the muscles on my lower leg turn on and I actually pull myself out of the stretch. So I'm gonna try and get passive here. I'm gonna trust that knee position. I'm gonna trust the pull of my ankle to get me into that stretch. And that's phenomenal right there in the gastrocnemius for 5, 4, 3, 2, and on your next inhale, soften that knee, slowly come out of that stretch. Find your favorite seated position. If you have time to breathe, that's awesome. That was our seated single leg calf stretch. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you in the next video.